In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts between Zoho CRM and Zoho Marketing Automation. Before we begin, a quick overview. Zoho CRM is where your customer records live, while Zoho Marketing Automation is where you build segments and run campaigns. Syncing contacts ensures your marketing lists stay accurate without constant manual exports. For this walkthrough, make sure you're signed into your Zoho account and that you have permission to manage integrations in marketing automation. Start by opening Zoho Marketing Automation in your browser. If you access Zoho through a main dashboard, choose Marketing Automation from your apps. Give the workspace a moment to load and double-check you're in the correct portal or brand if your organization uses more than one. Next, head to Integrations. You'll typically find this in the left navigation or under a settings area represented by a gear icon. Integrations is the hub where marketing automation connects with other Zoho apps and approved third-party tools. Inside Integrations, click on Apps. This section shows available apps you can connect, along with any that are already linked to your workspace. It's a helpful place to review what's active and what you might still need to set up. Now click on Connect App. You'll usually see this toward the top right. This opens the gallery of supported applications and starts the process of adding a new connection. If the button is disabled, check that you're using an admin-enabled role for this workspace. From the list, choose Zoho CRM. Selecting Zoho CRM ensures your customer data can flow into marketing automation securely. If you're prompted to authorize the connection, confirm you're selecting the correct organization and data center. Approve the requested permissions so marketing automation can read the contact records needed for syncing. With the connection ready, click Create Sync and choose Sync Contacts. This tells marketing automation that you want to synchronize the contacts module from Zoho CRM rather than other modules like leads. Choosing Sync Contacts keeps your campaign lists aligned with the contact records your sales team maintains. At this point, you'll typically see options to tailor what gets synced. It helps to keep email as the primary identifier to reduce duplicates and to think ahead about which groups or views in CRM you want represented in your marketing lists. Depending on your plan, the sync may run continuously or on a schedule, and you'll see a status indicator showing progress and any errors to review. That's it. You've connected Zoho CRM to Zoho Marketing Automation and created a contact sync, so your marketing audience stays current with your CRM records.